Hello, time to do the half down letters. These letters start at the midline here. Start halfway down. The whole distance is from the blue line to the blue line, but we're going to start these letters halfway down at the dotted line. Our first half down letter is the letter I. Start halfway down at the dotted line and go straight down to the baseline. Pick up your pencil and add a dot. Start at the midline, the dotted line, straight down to the baseline. Pick up your pencil and make a dot. Take your time to make sure that you're not starting above the dotted line or going below the dotted line, though that can start to look very sloppy. We also want to make sure that you just go up and make a quick little dot there. We don't want to go up and make circles. Everything we can do to make our letters quick and neat will help with writing fluency. Half down letter J is good fun. Start at the midline, dotted line, straight down just like the I, but drop down below the baseline and hook back. Make your dot. Midline, dotted line, straight down, down below the baseline, hook back, make your dot. Mid dotted line, straight down, hook back, and make your dot. Base dotted line, straight down, hook backwards, make your dot, and that's it. Half down letter N starts at the dotted line, halfway down. We always start here for the half down letters. They all start half down at the dotted line. Straight down, trace up all the way to the dotted line and make your bump. Start at the dotted line, straight down, trace it up so neatly all the way back up, and then make your lump. Start right here and go all the way up. So nice. Half down letter M starts at the dotted line, straight down, trace it back up to the line, and one bump, trace it so carefully back up, and another bump. Start at the dotted line, go straight down, trace it back up, one nice bump, trace it back up, another nice bump. Oop, I spotted a couple things I didn't do very carefully. First thing is I started out going over too quick. I should have come straight up here, all the way up to the dotted line before I made my bump. The other problem I had is look right here. I let the bump go over the dotted line. So I think I am going to make a couple more. I'm just writing with my fingers, so it's a little difficult, but I start at the dotted line, straight down, trace it back up to the dotted line, boop, and two bumps. Someday I'll get one of those nice pencils you can use. We'll start at the dotted line, straight down, trace it back up, and one bump, and a second bump for the letter M. Half down letter R is pretty easy. Start at the dotted line, straight down, trace it back up to that dotted line, over, and that's it. Straight down, trace up, 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 and there we go. Straight down, back up, and just a little umbrella there and stop short. Half down letter P might be our trickiest letter yet to make. We start at the dotted line, straight down, trace all the way back up and make, there you go, dotted line, go straight down, all the way back up, and make a nice rounded shape that taps the top line there and the bottom line. Did you notice that I chose purple to make the letter P? Start at the dotted line, go straight down. We don't want to pick up our pencil, we just want to trace it straight back up. And when you make this circle, you want to make sure to tap that dotted line, make a nice circular shape, tap the blue line and back. Straight down, trace it up, tap, circle, tap, and close it off.